So, so, so hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, it's me, Babes Cute, shout out, it's Babes. So, um, so alam naman natin, back to school na. So, for this video, ang gagawin ko is, papakita ko kung ano yung laman ng aking school bag. Yeah. Actually, yung bag na to, it's so very cute. Charot. Charot lang yung mga beshi. Gusto kasi namin to. Gusto ko talaga tong bag na to. Kasi it's a John Sport. So, me and my best friend, we're same bag. Same kami ng bag. So, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung laman ng aking backpack. So, syempre, I'm a grade 9 student. So, carry na yan. So, okay. So, syempre, hindi mawawala ang notebooks. So, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 notebook. Kasi, kalas ako sa notebooks. Syempre, you know na, student. So, next is big notebook in case of kailangan siya. Ano ba yan? After that is, wait, ayusin ko muna ito dito. So, after that, syempre, papers. I have 1/4. Dalawa to siya. I think it's 2. Yeah, it's 2. 1/4. 1/2 lengthwise. And a 1/2 crosswise. And a 1 whole. So, talaga kasi kailangan 1 whole. So, and a yellow pad. So, in case na may mga exam tayo, mga beshi, review, pero angat ang grades. The joke. Then, after that, wala na. Yun lang. So, next is so, I have a I have a 2 pen. It's super smooth. LV5 Castel daw siya. Dalawa siya. Then, pencil for Mandarin. Kasi, sabi nga nila, for this grade 9 is nasa stroke na kami sa characters. I think, yeah. So, I need some pencils. So, later, bibili pa ako ng sharpener and eraser. So, and a red ball pen. Syempre, sa mga checkings. It's an HBV. Yeah, I think. Ballpoint pen. Super fine. So, yun lang naman yung, and for the last thing is wipe out correction tape. Touch and go correction tape. So, mas gusto ko yung maliit na na correction tape para lang sa kamay. So, yun na nga, doon na nagtatapos ang aking what's in my bag, what's inside my school bag. So, yan na nga, good morning ulit. So, kindly subscribe me, like this video, and comment below. Thank you. Bye.